Vilva store is started in the year 2017 by Kritika Kumaran. My daughter has some skin issue, so she wanted to try skin soaps for our daughter. So that's how this all started in the kitchen. This started growing, and we were started operating in a factory setup of 1,500 square feet. So then we planned to construct a state-of-art manufacturing facility. So to give an overview, Vilva manufactures its own products and sells online. We also sell in all marketplaces. Right now we are processing around more than 1 lakh orders per month. Before we used to have a simple accounting system. We were started looking for an ERP software. At the same time, we also had our own online sales where we receive orders in a website. Then we'll take it down in an Excel sheet, and then it has to be processed. So keeping the records was very difficult. At the same time, the manufacturing facility, we were handling a lot of inventory where it is very difficult to maintain a lot of stocks. For a brand like Vilva, we operate in multiple channels. So we thought we should go in for a software or an ERP package which will help us in fulfilling all our requirements. So we were evaluating with different softwares, but at the same time we should also look into the cost factor also. As a growing brand, we come across Odoo. Odoo will be a cost effective, and since it is an open end, we can alter according to the requirements of our company. That's where we decided Odoo will be a better suitable ERP for us.
So after a brief demo, we went in with Odoo. We had our customizations happening, and they supported us in all the customizations, and whatever the business requirements, all those things they helped us. Before that, we had challenges in maintaining our inventory. Now after using Odoo, it is seamless, and we were using it in much effective way.
Whoever is implementing the package, they should have a better knowledge on how the business operates. So because since we operate in a very complex situation, so we evaluated and finalized Odoo implementers from Coimbatore. So that is how we started our Odoo journey. When it comes to Odoo implementers, they have 15 years of experience. And the main important part in Odoo implementers are they have a very good skill force, which is very important as we are concerned, because when we implement an ERP package, it is very important that we give training to each and every person in our organization so that the implementation will be very effective. So I think Odoo implementers has done a great job in implementing the software to our exact requirement.
There are some challenges which they are trying to help us, like internally generated raw materials, how that has to be accounted, and how that can be brought in via Odoo, and how that cost can be integrated in the PO and come as a raw material. All those things they helped us.
After implementing Odoo, now we deal with multiple state GSTs. So we have multiple warehouses in multiple states. Going along with Amazon and Nykaa, this complex warehousing model has been taken care by Odoo.
We started using accounting module, sales, purchases, inventory, manufacturing, and also we are trying to explore the new POS module as well.
Odoo has helped a lot in saving a lot of manpower and a lot of time, so that we as a D2C brand, we need to take decisions very fast, which help. We can tell that Odoo implementers has played an important role in growth of our company.